I'm Coach Pancelaba, and I'm handling the LSU IS Mixed Girls. And we will represent Calabarzon for this coming palaro on May 20 to June 1 and June 2. So, nag-start kami for division meet, and nahirapan kami for last year versus Perpetual, but nabawi namin this year, and dumagdag kasi yung player ko from Bacolod, and panalo namin yung last this year. Napanalo namin this year for representing Binyan. And napanalo din namin yung Raam versus Batangas Province. Score na 4-0. So, yun, preparation namin. Focus pa rin kami sa basic skills, syempre technical, and yung daily routine namin, and pinagsa-study ko yung strength and weaknesses ng kalaban. So, importante yon. And second, yung team bonding siguro, na mas makakadagdag yung composition ng team, mas-start yan sa bonding. And ano pa siguro yung strategy ng mga bata, kung strategy to know the who's the key player ng kalaban. Yun. So, expectation for palaro, siguro always ko sinasabi sa mga bata na trust natin yung preparation na ginawa natin, and trust your teammate, trust the process, at saka don't blame your teammate, and respect the game. Yun lang siguro yung pwedeng hingin ko sa mga bata, and especially gusto ko din pasalamatan sa yung family na nandyan palagi sa mga bata. Lahat ng support nila nandyan 100%, and sa school, and syempre din sa Binyan delegation, and sa Calabarzon, and especially kay Lord, kay Jesus, sa lahat-lahat ng mga support and guidance na binigay niya sa amin. Yes. Thank you.